Hey, welcome back to Mind Pump TV. I'm your host, Serene. In this video, I'm breaking down one of the questions from the QUAH the guys answered on the podcast channel. If you guys have not checked that out yet, go ahead and click on that link, check it out for the full video. But in this video, I'm bringing one of those exercises to life.
Mike from Pennsylvania.
Hey, Mike, what's up? How can we help you?
Yo, Mike, what's up?
Yo, what's good, boys? How we doing today?
Good. What's going on, man?
Oh, we got a live one.
I need to know, how do I balance out my core again? I tend to use my right side of my core, like on every single exercise, core, non-core.
And there's a good chance you've got a breakdown somewhere all the way down to your feet, right? And that's running all the way up the kinetic chain. So that's the first thing, is I'm trying to look to see if I have limited range of motion in one of my major joints from the foot all the way up, right? So that'd be the first thing. And then an exercise that seems very tedious, and I remember I rarely did it as a personal trainer, and later on found the value of this, would be the quadruped. Do not do it like you see some trainers and some people in the gym where they're just kind of going back and forth like as fast as they can through the exercise. Like, you are trying to articulate every inch of that movement and make it look perfect and seamless on both sides. And you're probably going to see and feel a discrepancy on one side or the other, and your goal is to get that to match.
We call it the bird dog too, for other people who don't know what that quadruped is, but yeah, so opposite arm and leg, and really pointing your fingers and your toes in opposite directions, but not allowing your hips to rotate. Is that the biggest part of that exercise that you need to focus on?
You can put a stick down your spine while you're doing bird dogs and making sure that the stick stays in contact with the different points of your spine. So the back of the head, upper shoulders, the pelvis.
Okay, so let's break down the setup of this exercise. First, come into a 4-point position with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Tuck your chin, push your hands into the ground to prevent your upper back from arching. Tuck and arch your pelvis to find and maintain that neutral lumbar while you perform the exercise. Now, next you're gonna reach your opposite arm forward, palm facing in, and your opposite leg long behind you. The goal is to look at where your form fails in this exercise, such as those hips rotating and spine deviating from neutral, and work towards creating tension in your limbs as much as you can for both sides. Now, this exercise is great to perform as part of your priming before your workout, holding for 10 seconds each side 3 to 5 times.
So that would be part of my warm-up now if I was you. So that would I would start my workouts with this exercise to get everything kind of firing equally before you go into your other bigger movement.
Thanks for calling, man.
Hey, good luck to you guys. I appreciate you guys answering my call, man.
No problem.
Thanks, Mike.
I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you would like to see more of our podcast channel, make sure that you click on the link above. Thanks so much again. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and we will see you later.